morning, witches. Well, actually, it's good afternoon. It's not morning, it's afternoon. Just feels like the morning. Here it is. The offending article. But I'll tell you something. This is quite amazing, actually. Over the past, so it's what, Thursday, Friday. Sorry, Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So after the past 3 days, I have been working on healing this in a different way. So that's internal stuff, yeah. I've also got a piece of, you see that? Faden quartz. Let me just adjust the lighting here because it's a bit bright. Faden quartz. You see that? It's a beautiful piece. I've got it tucked down there. It's tucked in there. See? Whee! You see that? Tuck it in. So, what have I been doing? I've been using CBD, activated CBD oil. I've been using orgone blanket, which I've now put crystals in as well. I've been using Faden quartz, which is in there. Obviously, you know, this plays a huge part. But today, I'm like, okay, so Kundalini today, because I can do this, and it's my, you know, nothing's hurting when I move my arm about like that. So okay, so Kundalini time. I'm telling you, I did not expect such a mad energy. Completely blew my head off. Yeah. So I've got this little it's a, well, it can be long or short. This one was about 40 something minutes. I've got the playlist here. Oh, sorry, an hour and 2 minutes, because I added a couple of bits onto it. That's right. So I thought, well, you know, and a lot of it's breath work anyway. A lot, you know, it's not a lot of crazy poses, because obviously I can't put any weight on this at the moment. Even if I wanted to, I couldn't, because it's got a stupid cast on it. Oh dear. So it's mainly breath work, lots of moving energy up the spine, and also working on gallbladder, liver, and second chakra or third chakra, both. Kind of does both. Yeah, but the thing that, because I was getting a lot of tingles on top of the head, I was getting like a lot of like full round the body kind of energy stuff. But what was really mad, and in fact there's more mad things, but this is one really mad thing. When I did the shoulder shrugs, yeah, so it's not like, oh yeah, I was going to shrug my shoulders. What you do is a very powerful way of releasing tension and energy through the neck, shoulders, the arms, and the fingers. Yeah. I'd done the shoulder shrugs, and as I was doing them, and this was only what, a minute and a half worth, yeah, but it's done very powerfully with a very powerful breath. What was really bonkers, yeah, and I don't know how to describe it apart from using like a physics thing, when electromagnetism happens, yeah, so when you switch on an electromagnet, and you can feel that energy all around the magnet, but then it also moves things. Yeah, you can use it to move stuff. Yeah, that's how powerful it is. That's what this felt. This whole forearm, all the way from elbow to finger, felt like that. It was, that's the only way I can describe it, but it was a like crazy, really, I mean, it was powerful. It was vibrating. My forearm, my elbow to my fingers was pulsating, vibrating, whatever you want, but it was really strong. It's like, whoa, serious healing going on there. So that was pretty mad. And like I say, I was getting stuff all the way through it, but that particular bit was like, fucking hell. Wowzers, you know. So number one, never underestimate the power of the breath and Kundalini yoga, because that was amazing. And it took a while to subside. It took a good minute and a half, maybe even 2 minutes to actually get to the point where I could go on to the next bit. You know what I mean? What was really interesting as well, from an advanced witchcraft point of view, so if you're doing our advanced witchcraft course, you know what I'm talking about with this. This is huge resistance. Okay. And the kind of way we teach that particular thing is the bigger the resistance. Once you push through it, the bigger the payoff's going to be. Yeah. Bear with me 1 second. That'll be Kate. Yeah. Sorry, just bear with me a minute. I've got someone coming around to collect something. Something's going on with my phone there. Something's disappeared from my phone. Give me 1 second. CBD customer. Very important people. Right. So where was I? Advanced witchcraft. Yes, huge resistance. So the bigger the resistance that you have to push through, the bigger the green field is going to be when you get to the other side. So I'm expecting something quite miraculous to happen. But what is mad, yeah, is that the timing of this was as I was filming videos. The day before, I was filming videos for ad campaigns and stuff, which is something, you know, has been kind of there to do for a long time, but you put it off because you're scared, you know. Not scared in any big way, but it's like, you know, you're putting yourself out there, so, you know, ooh, you never know. That kind of thing, you know. And what is really interesting is that I was still kind of doubting that direction. Look what this tells me. Oh yes, that's the fucking right direction, all right. It's a massive resistance to it. So our advanced witches out there, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to go and have a look at our, bear with me a minute. Let me just grab the link for you. Bear with me. Right, the bazaar. Hello, wiki. That's all. I go slow this morning by the looks of it. So, hello, Smurf. Bear with me, everybody. It's on go slow. Why is it on go slow? It's supposed to be super fast internet, this is. Yeah, my arse. Oh dear. Right. So if you want more, hello, wiki, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, pain in the arse. So if you want to find out more about our advanced witchcraft, course, there you go. There's the link. But you will be seeing an email in your inbox and adverts all over the place in the next few days, because this is not going to stop me. No way. So yeah, our advanced, I've got a sty as well. It's like, so yes, advanced witches. The bigger the resistance, and I know for some of you, especially if you've done the soul realignment stuff with me, there's been some massive resistance. Yeah. But when you get to the other side, when you push through that, you don't let that stop you. Formidable will. When you don't let that stop you, the payoff, when you get to the other side, like I say, I'm expecting big things. Because aside from death, this was probably my biggest fear about riding a horse again. Oh, what would happen if I fell off? Well, I don't know. It has happened before, but I didn't break anything. So here you go. Advanced witchcraft. So when it comes to what you are trying to manifest in your life, you will run up against resistance, because especially if you're changing things in a quite profound way, so it might not be big things, but it will be profound things that you're changing, there will be resistance. There's always, you always get resistance, because that's what helps you to flip the fight or flight, so it works for you. What the other quite amazing thing that happened when I finished my Kundalini is I went, quite by accident, into a meditation. And normally I get the funny squiggly lines, a bit like Bill and Ted. Yeah, didn't get that this time, which was quite strange. But it was like, what I got was blink and you're there. I'm like, okay. So I blinked in my mind. I had my eyes shut, obviously, and I was there. It's like, okay, so is this a new thing? I don't know. Until I do another meditation, I don't know if this is a new phenomenon or if it's just something for today. I don't know. But what was really interesting is I got a healing from, because I've connected to quite a few different deities. So we got Ariane Rod. Thoth was in the background. He was just kind of surveying, Brid was there. Lou was there. And there's a couple that I haven't connected with yet, but I know I'm going to. So they were kind of in the background as well. Danu and Nud, water deities. And funny enough, Adawan wasn't there, but yeah, I've just twigged that actually. And I got healing, and as the healing happened, this is really mad. I got really, really, really freezing cold, but my arm got red hot for, I don't know, 30 seconds maybe, and then it went back to normal again. So I'm dying to have a look in there, see what's going on. It's really annoying that I can't. So I wish they had a little door and I could open it and have a look. So I got the healing, and then what was really interesting was parcel. It's my nettle tea. Was after I got that healing, I then got. Then it's funny because I was. I can't remember who it was I was talking to, but there were about 3 or 4 of us, and I'm like, okay, so what now then? This has happened. Is this the path? Is this the way to go? And they're like, well, yeah, because look at your arm. And I'm like, what? Look at your arm. What is that? And then it talked about resistance, and the bigger the resistance, the bigger the payoff will be when you get through. So, yeah, I just wanted to share that with you this morning, especially for our advanced witches, because it's no coincidence. It is no coincidence that this happened. None whatsoever. So, yeah, an amazing experience this morning. But this, the Faden quartz, the reason I've got Faden quartz tucked down the thing there is it's really good for broken bones, broken or fractured bones. So if you are in a similar situation then just get a bit of fade and quartz and just well, I'd say tuck it down, down in the hand bit. Just make sure it doesn't fall all the way down because you probably won't get it out again. So just tuck it down there. I don't have it in there all the time, but yeah, just if I need it, I whack it in there. So yeah, fade and quartz for broken bones. Calcite, I've got calcite and Super 7 and carnelian in the orgone blanket. So yes. Okay. So I just take that off. It's hot. So I just wanted to share that because I just thought that it had to be shared, really. It had to be shared. So I shared it. Anyway, have an amazing Sunday. Oh, tomorrow, Magic Monday tomorrow. Now, I'm also not going to be doing cards because that motion for shuffling cards, not good at the moment. But we might, I've got to double check today, we might have a guest medium for tomorrow. So keep your eyes peeled. I'll keep you informed about what's going on. But yeah, have an amazing Sunday. I'll just have a look and see what's going on next week. Apart from Magic Monday. Not a lot, so I'll probably pop in and say hello, do stuff. Oh, I've been practicing the drum with playing with my left hand. It's not too bad, so yeah. I'll be doing some drumming too. It's getting back to kind of an almost normal thing. So yeah, have an amazing Sunday, have an amazing week, and I will see you around in the group. Oh, don't forget, if you're not already on thepathofwitchcraft.com, get your ass over there now. Thepathofwitchcraft.com is the social media platform just for witches, and it's growing. Seriously, it's growing. It's very cool. But it's your witchy community, so you need to go over there and do your witchy thing over there, okay? Anything else? I don't think so. If you've got any questions, plop them underneath. And I will see you around and about. Be fearless. Stay witchy.